welcome to Shimmer Blast. In this video, I will show you how to make a two-tone buttercream rose to create a beautiful princess cupcake cake. It's fun to make and so cute. First, get a 2D tip and a 16-inch piping bag. Put it in a tall cup to keep it upright while you first fill it with the blue-colored frosting. Squish the frosting around the bag. Open it to create a tunnel through the middle. I use a butter knife to separate the frosting closer to the tip. Add white buttercream, squish the bag to get all the air bubbles out. Twist the top. The first two won't have two-tone frosting. I use those on the base of the cake to look like a dress fading upward. Start in the center and move the bag counterclockwise. Beautiful two-toned frosting cupcakes. I made 21 two-toned cupcakes for this Elsa princess dress and 6 white cupcake roses. After I finished them all, I arranged the cupcakes from the solid blue ones up to the two-tone cupcakes. I originally saw the design for this princess dress on Pinterest, and this is my take on it. So kudos to all those creative people on Pinterest. Fill in the gaps with a little frosting. For my design, I added white sprinkle balls of different sizes. Add blue sprinkles to continue that faded look. Add white snowflakes. I added a gem ribbon for the waistline. I glued it to the sides with frosting. I added silver ball sprinkles to give the top a shiny look. Lastly, I added white tulle to give it the appearance of a sheer cape. And there you have it, beautiful two-tone buttercream cupcakes. This is a really easy princess cupcake cake to make. Like and subscribe for more party ideas.